Hi, Loyan Farah, CEO of Dibsy.
Tell us all about Dibsy. Why do you exist? What's the problem you solve?
Well, we're a Qatar-based payments company. We would like to change the way payments are made. We are similar to Stripe in the US or Checkout in the UK, and we help companies with payments and processing online transactions.
Amazing. And here we are at the Web Summit. What's been the reaction to the conversations you've been having?
People are really impressed. I mean, what they see our billboard here, and they notice that we have some of the biggest customers in Qatar. One of them, for example, is Qatar Insurance Company. I believe is one of the biggest insurance companies in the entire region. So we help them with payments. The conversations they're having is they're really impressed. They don't, as payments, you don't really hear who the companies behind payments.
Yeah.
You know, we're sort of hidden behind the scenes, but now we're actually coming to the forefront. So they're amazed to see you are the company behind Rafiq, QIC, and all those big names. So they're happy about that.
That's incredible. And what do you think is the secret to your success?
We cater to developers. I think that's where the secret is. I think, when we started this journey 4 years ago, we said that let's cater to people who are doing the development work. So since we did that, since we've been doing that throughout the journey, I think that's what makes a lot of the difference, is that we are building from the ground up, and that's what really sets Dibsy apart.
And in terms of the product roadmap, what's next?
We are building a lot of different things. Some I can get into, some I can't.
Fair enough.
One thing I can get into is something called the tap to phone, which is actually receiving money directly on your phone. So we changed the POS, the actual POS machine, which stands for point of sale machine, directly to your phone. So now you can actually receive money, someone by just tapping on your phone. That's a game changer going forward.
And of course, as you said, Qatar's kind of leading first. Where next as well in terms of geography and markets?
We're actually thinking about going to the Saudi market next. We're long term, we're thinking about the Oman market as well. And the very long term, we're looking into the African market. I think that's an untapped area, especially East Africa, Northern Africa. So we're gauging those areas, but that's long term. Close to the next year or two, we're looking into Saudi, probably Oman.
And from a customer perspective, ultimately, the end consumer, what is it they're looking for? You talk about being the secret sauce, kind of below, what are they looking for from a payments perspective?
Honestly, customers are strictly looking for, especially in this market, in Qatar and the Middle East, they're looking to easy checkout. Easy checkout means Apple Pay, Google Pay, right? We know in this market currently 70-80% of all transactions are happening online through Apple Pay. Everyone has an Apple phone, so it's so much easier. Double click, payment is done. So that's what they're looking for, ease of transactions. And I've noticed a lot of our competitors, some of them that don't have what we have, don't have that easy transaction. Nobody wants to put in a 16-digit credit card number. They don't want to do that. They just want to click, Apple Pay, out. So that's what they're looking for, ease.
And how important is security, do you think, today?
It's really important. I mean, the whole market, we've noticed a trend. There's fraud, there's a lot of fraud. What sets us apart from our competitors is we actually have a Dibsy fraud management solution. It's an in-house built solution where scenario-based, we actually stop the transactions from actually going in first. So we stop them from the time the hackers or anybody's trying to actually get in and make a hack transaction or make something to buy or steal a credit card and use it on our platform. So we stop them ahead of time. It's really, really important. We're making headways there as well. Hence the reason why some of the big customers in Qatar actually enjoy working with us. So we stopped a ton of chargebacks. This lingo for stolen cards and so forth.
Which can really kind of impact an online retailer, right?
Really, crazy, unbelievable. I mean, when we first started, we noticed it wasn't as much, but now Qatar, the transactions, the hack transactions or stolen cards and stolen debit cards is one of the worst ones because someone has access to your bank account directly. So really tough. So we're actually doing a lot to stop that.
Loyan, thank you for your time today. It's a great interview.
You are welcome. Thank you so much.